everyone, my name is Bunny. Today I'm not driving, I'm using projector. This way also help you to remember new words and more easily and confidently when you presentation at school. So today I learn new vocab by this subject, musical instruments. So let's start it. Trombone, trombone. French horn, French horn. Piano, piano. Do you play piano? Yes, I can, and I love play piano. Clarinet, clarinet. Accordion, accordion. Bugle, bugle. Melodion, melodion. Harp, harp is so big. Trumpet, trumpet. Flute, flute. It looks like clarinet. Tuba, tuba. Drum kit, drum kit. I think boys they love play drum kit. Violin, violin. Saxophone. What is saxophone? Oh, it's next to violin. Saxophone. Banjo, banjo. Electric bass, electric bass. Cello, cello is look like violin, but it's bigger. Acoustic guitar, acoustic guitar. Electric guitar, electric guitar. And finally is a electric keyboard, electric keyboard. It look like piano. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.